Hi everyone, you're watching the Atlas channel. Today I'm starting a new series of videos about learning C# and .NET. In this first video, I'm gonna show you how to install Visual Studio 2022. If you wanna learn a C# and .NET development, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel and keep watching. So firstly, you need to go to this website and download Community 2022 version of Visual Studio.
Everything changes.
Installation is pretty easy, you just need to wait several seconds. At this page you need to choose several options. Firstly, ASP.NET and web development, .NET desktop development, and maybe data storage and processing. In the right bottom corner, there will be Install button, just click it. You need to wait a little bit while it's all downloading and installing, and now you can launch your Visual Studio. At the first time you need to log in into your Microsoft account, but you can skip it. Now your Visual Studio works, there are several projects, you will not have any, but now you can create your first one, click Create a new project, and there will be a lot of templates for different type of project, but now we wanna create a simplest one, it's a console application. Click Next. At this page you can give your project a name and set destination path. At this page you can choose framework version, I'll use .NET 7. And now we can create a new project. And now you can see the Visual Studio is working properly. This is the place where you can write your code. At the right side there are Solution Explorer, it's like file system. Here you can create a new files. For example, let's create a simple class. You probably don't know what it is, but don't worry. As I said, in this big window you can write your code, so let's write something and you see everything's fine. And now let's launch our simple application. There is only one command, console write line. It will print hello world to the console. To launch your application, you need to click this button on the top or press F5 on your keyboard. Application is building and now we can see hello world on the console. Everything works fine. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and let's keep in touch.